One morning on Sodor, Tyler and Toby were resting in their sheds till Tyler's driver came. "Good news, Tyler," said his driver. "You will be helping to pull the fans today." "No way," said Tyler. "Why can't Rebecca pull them?" "Really useful engines don't argue," said his fireman. "We don't want you to get punished by Sir Topham Hatt." "Okay, I'll have a little fun with him." "Don't try anything smart," called Toby. "Remember, trucks can be troublesome." I got this, whatevs," said Tyler. Soon, Tyler backed into the trucks. "Come on, let's go," he grumbled. And Tyler coupled up. We don't want to go, grumbled the troublesome trucks. "Shut up," said Tyler. We'll show you, the truck said. "Let's have a little fun with them," said the blue van. And so they did. Tyler went past the yard. Meanwhile, Harvey was helping the workmen fix the bridge. It had been damaged overnight during the storm. Then he saw Tyler. "Wait, Tyler, wait!" cried Harvey. "Stop, Tyler, stop!" cried the workman. "All right, driver, brakes," said Tyler. "I can't," said his driver. "Oh no!" cried Tyler. And the van went off the rails. Beep! Ignore that James made a cameo there. And Tyler did too. "Whoa!" cried the trucks. They crashed each by each. Tyler fell off the rails. Luckily, his driver and fireman weren't hurt, but they were very cross. "This wouldn't have happened if you hadn't been so smart and stuck up about pulling trucks." "Yeah," grumbled the freight cars, "but at least we got you your comeuppance, ha ha ha." "Oh, shut up," grumbled Tyler. Later that day, Hong Mei got the breakdown train. Beep. Redo, I meant Nia. Later that day, Nia got the breakdown train, and Sir Topham Hatt was in her cap. Tyler was gotten back on the rails. He felt very foolish and embarrassed. Rebecca and Percy took the truck to the quarry, and Sir Topham Hatt ordered Kenji to take the broken trucks to the steamworks. "Tyler," boomed Sir Topham Hatt, "you have caused a load of confusion and delay today. I do not know what you were thinking. This bridge was off limits, and you did not listen to your driver or fireman." "But sir, I only want to show Toby who's best." "No excuses," boomed Sir Topham Hatt. "As for this, you will take a fish truck for the next several months to the docks." And Sir Topham Hatt chuffed back to his office on Nia. Tyler felt embarrassed. He knew he was going to be made fun of it later on. Tyler coupled up to the fish truck scented by Emily. He had to take it to the docks for the next several months. Gordon and James burst out laughing. "Oh, look, it's Tyler the I can handle trucks, but I'm gonna crash engine." "Yeah," laughed Gordon. "To the engine that crashed in the sea and almost drowned." "Shut up," said Tyler. "Yeah," said Emily. "You two have had accidents in the past." "We might have, but at least we never almost drowned in the sea, and almost made the freight cars drown as well, and made two sent to the steamworks." "Ha ha," laughed James. "Shut up," said Emily. "You're both jealous." "Yeah," said Tyler. "At least I'm not too bad-tempered bozo heads." "Sure you are," grumbled Gordon. "And you think you're better than us? You're nothing but a fish engine." "Ha ha," giggled Gordon. "Ahem," said a well-known voice. Gordon and James groaned. "You two asked for it," said Emily. It was Sir Topham Hatt. "You both know better than to tease others. Since you want to think that's a smart joke, you can help him tomorrow. And you two will have your coaches taken away for the next several months because of those smarky reads you made, which you two absolutely know better not to make." Yes, sir," they both said weakly. Oh, the indignity of it all, groaned Gordon. Tyler, Tyler laughed. Beep. Tyler laughed. Even though he was still on punishment, he was glad that Gordon and James were given their comeuppance too. Hopefully Tyler will make sure to learn about trucks next time. Do you?